Today we'll do sums based on square root of a complex number and a solution of a quadratic equation in complex number. So our the first question is given 8 minus 8 minus 6i. Okay, this is the value of z. Okay, and what we have to find out? We have to find out the square root of minus 8 minus 6i. So let us suppose that minus 8 minus 6i is equal to a plus ib. Okay, now what we have to do, squaring both sides, we'll get minus 8 minus 6i, that will be equal to a plus ib whole square. So what we'll get for this one? We'll get a square minus b square plus I 2ab. How we'll get this? Because a square plus this one square of ib square, so I square b square will be equal to minus b square and 2ab, 2 into a into ib, that will be equal to I 2ab. Okay, so equating both the sides, real and imaginary both the sides, will get minus 8 equals to a square minus b square and minus 6 equals to 2ab. So it will be 3 equals to ab. So minus 3 equals to ab. It means a will be equal to minus 3 upon b. Equation. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now we have to put the value of equation 2 in equation 1. So what we'll get? Minus 8 equals to a square. So a का value will put minus 3 upon b का whole square minus b square. So that will be equal to minus 8 equals to 9 upon b square minus b square. Okay, so that will be equal to, now it will be minus 8b square will be equal to 9 minus b to the power 4. So it means b to the power 4 minus 8b square minus 9. Okay, that will be equal to 0. Okay, because minus this is minus, so this side it will come, it will be positive. Okay, so now can we write like this? B to the power 4 minus 9 8 okay, so 9 के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? माइनस 9b square प्लस 1 प्लस बी स्क्वायर. ओके, माइनस 9b स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर अगर हम करेंगे तो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू 8b स्क्वायर. मतलब कैन वी राइट माइनस 8b स्क्वायर को माइनस 9b स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं ना, एंड माइनस 9 एज इट इज. सो इसको हमने इस टर्म में लिखा. सो व्हाट विल द वैल्यू? नाउ हियर फ्रॉम दीज टू विल टेक b स्क्वायर कॉमन, so we'll get b square minus 9 plus 1 will take common, so b square minus 9 equals to 0. It means b square plus 1 into b square minus 9 equals to 0. Okay, but see, a and b both values are, these should be a real number. Okay, because I तो imaginary उसके साथ है, but a and b ये सारे real numbers हैं. Okay, so there will be two values, b square equals to minus 1 or b square equals to 9. So what we'll take? We'll take this value, because b square is equal to minus 1 तो नहीं होगा. Why? Because square root of minus 1 will be imaginary number, so we have to take this value. It means b square will be equal to 9, then b will be equal to plus minus 3. Okay, so first we'll take now we have to find out the value of a. So a का value क्या है? minus 3 upon b. Okay, so a का value है minus 3 upon b and b का value is plus minus 3. So first of all we'll take plus 3. अगर हम 3 लेते हैं so we'll get minus 1, and अगर हम a का b का value अगर हम minus 3 लेते हैं then a का value will be minus 3 upon minus 3. Okay, so that will be 1. Okay, it means if a का value will be minus 1 and b का वैल्यू विल बी 3 and a का वैल्यू अगर है 1 then b का वैल्यू विल बी -3. ठीक है. सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू? तो हमारा जो क्वेश्चन है दैट इज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ -8 -6i. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ -8 -6i will be equal to a मतलब -1 प्लस 3i और +1 -3i. ठीक है, ये वैल्यूज हमारा हो सकता है. सो कैन वी राइट प्लस माइनस दिस वन? Yes, plus minus. If 1 is plus, 3 is minus, and if 1 is minus, 3 is plus. Okay, so this way we can write. Okay, now next question we'll do based on the square root only. Square root के ही sum करते हैं एक और. If we have a question z is equal to 7 plus 24i. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to find out the square root of 7 plus 24i. And so let us suppose that square root of this is equal to a plus ib. Then the same formula will apply everywhere. So using the formula 7, x is equal to a square minus b square होता है, तो 7 will be equal to a square minus b square and 24 will be equal to 2ab. Okay. So 2ab matlab it will be 12. It means a will be equal to 12 upon b. Equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Now putting the value of equation number 2 in equation number 1, what we'll get? 7 is equal to a square. A का value is 12 upon b. 12 upon b का whole square minus b square. Okay. So this will be 7 equals to 144 divided by b square minus b square. It means 7b square will be equal to 144 minus b to the power 4. It means b to the power 4 plus 7b square minus 144 is equal to 0. And 144 क्या होता है? 16 9s are 144 होता है ना. And 12 का square is 144. So what can we write like this? b to the power 4 plus 16 9s है ना, तो can we write 16b square minus 9b square? 7 होगा ना. 16 minus 9 will be 7. So can we write 7b square को can we write 16b square minus 9b square? लिख सकते हैं ना. And minus 144 as it is we'll write here. Now we'll take b square common. So what will the value? b square plus 16 minus 9 common लेंगे, b square plus 16 equals to 0. Now it means b square minus 9 into b square plus 16 is equal to 0. Now या तो b square minus 9 equals to 0 होगा और या फिर b square plus 16 will be equals to 0 होगा. But we cannot take this value क्योंकि ये imaginary number आएगा, complex number, but we want a real number because b का value will be a real number. So b square will be equal to 9. It means b will be equal to 3 or -3. Two values of b. So a का value क्या होगा? a का value will be 12 upon b है. Okay, now putting the value of b in a, we'll get 12 upon b. 12 upon b मतलब 12 upon 3. So we'll get 4. Okay, and a का value अगर b का value हम -3 लेते हैं, then 12 upon -3 we'll get -4. Okay, so a का value is, if a का value is 4, then b का value is 3. If a का value is -4, b का value is -3. Now So we can write square root of, क्या था हमारा क्वेश्चन, square root of 7 plus 24i will be equal to plus minus 4 plus 3i. ओके, हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या था, दिस वन 7 plus 24i. ठीक है, तो 7 square root of 7 plus 24i will be equal to plus minus 4 plus 3i. Okay, now next question we'll do okay, if it is given z is equal to 3 plus 2 square root of 10i. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to find out the square root of this one. So let us suppose square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 10i is equal to a plus ib. Okay, then using the formula we can write 3 is equal to a square minus b square, equation 1, and 2 root 10 will be equal to 2ab, 2 cancel, it means a will be equal to square root of 10 divided by b. This is equation 2. Now putting the value of equation 2 in equation 1, we will get 3 equals to a का square. So a का value is this one. So square root of 10 divided by b whole square minus b square. So we can write 3 equals to 10 upon b का square minus b square. So 3b square will be equal to 10 minus b to the power 4. Now we can write b to the power 4 plus 3b square minus 10 is equal to 0. Now b square, what we can write for 3b? 5 into 2, okay, minus 5 into plus 2 will be equal to minus 10. So या फिर plus 5 into minus 2 will be equal to minus 10. So can we write 5b square minus 2b square? Okay, 3b square को we can write 5b square minus 2b square, and minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we'll take b square, sorry, here we have to write b to the power 4. Now इन दोनों में से हम b square common लेंगे, we'll get b square plus 5. Okay, minus 2 common लिया तो b square plus 5 equals to 0. Now, so b square minus 2 into b square plus 5 is equal to 0. So a and b both are a real number. Okay, so both are real number. So in this case b square minus 2 will be equal to 0, and or b square plus 5 is equal to 0, but we'll ignore this one. We have to take this one. Why? Because b square will be plus 2, it means there will be a real number. So b square will be equal to 2. It means b का वैल्यू क्या होगा? b का वैल्यू भी स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2. ओके, सो b के 2 वैल्यूज होंगे स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 और माइनस square root of 2. These are the two values. Now we'll put this value in a. So a will be equal to square root of 10 divided by b. So a will be equal to square root of 10 divided by b. So b का वैल्यू अगर रूट 2 लेते हैं, in this case 10 upon 2, that is equal to square root of 5. और अगर b का वैल्यू माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 लेते हैं, in this case a का वैल्यू will be square root of 10 minus square root of 2. It will be minus square root of 10 upon 2, that is equal to 5. So we can write minus square root of 5. Okay, so अगर b का वैल्यू नेगेटिव है, ये भी वैल्यू नेगेटिव होगा. b का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है, a का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव. So we can write like this. What's the question? Square root of 3 plus 2 root 10. So square root of 3 plus 2 root 10 I. Okay, that will be equal to a का वैल्यू and b का वैल्यू. a का वैल्यू root 5 square root of 5 and plus square root of 2i. Okay, and ये negative तो ये भी negative. So we'll write plus minus. Okay, so this will be the value. Okay, so these are the sums that we have done for square root of complex number. Now we'll do some solution for quadratic equation in complex number. So if we have a quadratic equation 8x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, and we have to find out the roots of x. Okay, so there will be two roots because x quadratic equation is, so there will be two roots of x. So and what will the value x का value क्या होगा? First of all we'll take a का value, b का value and c का value क्या है? a का value is 8 because coefficient of x square is 8. B is what? Coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is 2. So C is equal to 1. Okay. So x will be equal to it will be minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we'll put the value minus b is equal to 2 plus minus square root of b square. So 2 का square will be 4. Okay, and minus 4 into a का value is 8 and c का value is 1 divided by 2 into a का value is 8. It means x का value will be minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 4 into a, 32 divided by 16. So it will be, can we take 2 common from numerator and denominator? Yeah, but before that we'll solve this value. Okay, so 4 minus 32, it will be minus 28. So I minus का square root will be I and 28 का square root will be 2 root 7. Okay, divided by 16. Now can we take 2 common from numerator and denominator? So what value will be getting? Minus 1 plus minus I root 7 divided by 8. Okay, so the roots of x are minus 1 plus I root 7, yes, square root of 7i divided by 8, and minus 1 minus I root 7 I square root of 7 divided by 8. Okay, so these are the set of solutions. Okay, so next question we'll do based on the same concept. I mean, we have to find out the solution of a quadratic equation in complex number. So what value will what's the question? The next question is 2x square minus square root of 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so in this case a का value is 2, b का value is minus root 3, c का value is 1, and x का roots will be, I mean values of x will be minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we'll put the value minus into minus root 3 प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर का वैल्यू क्या होगा? माइनस 3 का होल स्क्वायर विल बी 3. ओके, माइनस 4ac, 4 इंटू ए का वैल्यू इज 2 एंड सी का वैल्यू इज 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इंटू ए. ओके, सो एक्स का वैल्यू विल बी माइनस ऑफ माइनस विल बी प्लस, सो रूट 3 प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 minus 4 into 2 will be 8. Okay, divided by 2 into 2 will be 4. So it will be square root of 3 plus minus 3 minus 8 will be minus 5. So minus 5 का square root क्या होगा? I square root of 5 divided by 4. Okay, so the roots of x are क्या होगा? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 प्लस आई स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 एंड स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 minus I square root of 5 divided by 4. These are the 2 roots of x. Okay, one more question we'll do for quadratic equation of in complex number. We have to find out the solution. The question is x square plus 4ix, okay, plus or minus, okay, we'll write minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, here a ka value is 1, b ka value is 4 into I, 4i, okay, and c का value is minus 4. Why 4i we have written? Because x का जो coefficient होता है that is b. So 4i is the coefficient of x. Okay. Now we have to find out the roots of x. So what will the value of x? Minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now we'll put the value of this abc. We'll get minus b, that is 4i plus minus square root of b square. तो b square क्या होगा? 4i का whole square. Okay, minus 4 into a का value is 1, c का value is minus 4 divided by 2 into a का value is 1. So x का value हमें क्या मिलेगा? Minus 4i plus minus square root of 4i will be minus I का square will be minus and 4 का square will be 16 and 4 into minus 4 will be minus 16 and minus minus plus, so plus 16, so it will be 0 divided by 2. It will be minus 4i plus minus 0, okay, divided by 2, okay, so we'll get 2. So x will be equal to minus 2i, okay. So the solution of x is equal to minus 2i. Okay. The next question. If we have the question x square minus 4x minus 4i is equal to 0. Okay. Then in this case, what will the value of a? A का value will be I. Why? Because x square का जो coefficient है that is a, and b क्या है? x का coefficient that is minus 4. And c क्या है? 4i का, I mean c is here. So minus 4i. Now x का value will be minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, we'll put the values. So minus of minus 4 plus minus b square. Minus 4 का whole square will be 16 minus 4 into a, that is I, and c minus 4i. Okay, so divided by 2 into a का value is I. Okay, so x will be equal to minus minus will be plus, so plus 4 plus minus square root of 16 and minus into 4 का square will be 16 and I का square will be minus. Okay, so and minus minus plus, so minus minus plus, okay, into 16 okay, into I का square will be minus 1, okay, divided by 2i. So this will be 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 16, cancel 2i. This will be equal to 4 divided by 2i. 2 will get, so 2 upon I. So now we have to take conjugate, so minus I. So x will be equal to minus 2i divided by 1. So the roots of equation, so the roots of x are क्या होगा? Minus 2i, only one root, okay, that is minus 2i. Okay, so root of x will be is minus 2y. Okay, so I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.